you think that police pursuits with criminals are among the most dangerous situations in life? With their courage, they silently carry out these tasks with the aim of ensuring your safety every time you participate in traffic. Hopefully, after today's video, you'll have a fresh perspective on this profession. A police car observed a white Chevrolet moving west on the highway at an excessive speed.
After I pass you, I'm gonna lock up.
The police car immediately trailed closely, with other vehicles on the road. Upon realizing the presence of the police behind, the white car sounded its alarm, shifted to the right lane, and continued fleeing. After colliding with the roadside barrier, the car flipped once. The driver then exited the vehicle and attempted to flee on foot. Following a brief pursuit, the driver was apprehended without incident. A passenger also stepped out of the car and was promptly arrested. A brief search yielded 150 pills believed to be fentanyl and a small bag containing green leafy substance.
You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We got a ticket.
A suspect, already handcuffed for a traffic violation, attempted to drive away, prompting a police pursuit.
We have the marked car tick number 1, please. Speeds of 28. Maneuver. Hold trap.
Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you! I got you!
Get out on the ground.
Hands behind your back!
I didn't
Shortly after being handcuffed, the person was placed in the back seat of the police car. However, once in the back seat, they quickly tried to remove the handcuffs, stole the police car, and attempted to flee.
Well, he just stole the patrol car. Let's clear that fire.
Recognizing the extreme danger posed by the individual, the police deployed spike strips on the road ahead during the pursuit, causing the suspect to collide with a truck on the other side of the road in a horrific crash.
Good sticks. We got a ticket.
after running a red light. A vehicle was signaled to stop, but the driver attempted to flee immediately. A successful pit maneuver by the police vehicle forced the car to come to a stop on the roadside. Exceeding the speed limit at night is extremely dangerous, as it can lead to collisions with multiple vehicles. When instructed to stop, the driver fled immediately. Fortunately, the road was relatively empty and the police executed highly professional pit maneuvers, preventing the violator from escaping. Another vehicle involved in a collision fled the scene. A 911 call was made to the local police and a police car was dispatched immediately. The pursuit involved two additional reinforcement police vehicles. The success and courage of the police officers helped them timely prevent further danger that the fleeing driver could pose to other vehicles.
Here at southbound. Signal forward into 741, signal southbound. Signal forward.
Successful physical something could be Paul J. Doherty and James.
The police car accelerated upon spotting the black car speeding. The siren blared and the stop signal was given, but the driver, ignoring all risks, continued to weave through traffic lanes, endangering many moving vehicles. The speed reached a maximum of 100 miles per hour, and the driver began to lose control, colliding head-on with a white car on the road. The impact was significant, causing a three-car collision.
Yeah, Southwest in the fly, in the fly.
The driver fled the vehicle, crossing the road dangerously amidst oncoming traffic and into a wooded area. However, he was apprehended shortly afterward. Hope today's video serves as an educational reminder for all of us. Let's ensure that we always drive safely and adhere to traffic rules. Thank you for being a part of our channel. And don't hesitate to share it with your friends. Goodbye and see you again.